possibilities.
Coastal TV, you may differ from that by to Mpontu. It's about development. You discuss issues of national concern, issues of central concern, matters that concern central region and Ghana. Mpontu sama offer capos, baby will be a Mpontu sama offer. Or your one and asadi, there or Saturday or the Mpontu, or the baby on the other being Fubana over Trasi. The way and what the man, or your one and asadi, those Mpontu Baba capos, one and asadi, those Mpontu Baba central region, one and asadi. So Mpontu on Baba Ghana in Nara. Mpontu sama offer capos, baby will be a Mpontu sama offer. Or your one and asadi, there or Saturday or the Mpontu, or the baby in the P and a batinasi, women down of Pediara. Live ever Coastal TV. Coastal TV, your own face, your own voice.
National Petroleum Authority say, Mawa Bambo hu hiya ukane. Ain't no, stay back and stay safe. National Petroleum Authority, ebo bibia koko se fuel tank enya akwanhia na edane a menko ho nkwaye wadwen se okosisa petrol anafango no ena afin so menye wadwen se wo ben fuel tank enya akwanhia ne ho akwa akodwetwa videos ana pictures na petrol anafango wo hwen so ohua ko wo mu a enye sunsu aso bone ewo wapomoden sem so fango so eho ahometinti no enfom so akitu ebi ebetumi ameja tom amana gise ewom eba ne sa nipa dodo timi femu hihye ehwe mo nkwa emeja pade dodo na nso esei eno nti memfa wo nkwa nto chacha enye saa obenu ho nkwa na nyina se wo hu se fuo tanka bi enya akwanhia na adane amafango no ebugu mpa hwa na wa aman ho da. Stay back and stay safe. Emomo no aya fredum jejumayefo ana posifo no mo mehwe nso ano wutumi nso efre National Petroleum Authority ewo 0302 550 380 kaise wonkwa wo hoi ehu hia bebre esensa afango no kokoboi National Petroleum Authority enede bro.
Ma yemo akwaba Embra Coastal TV, your own face, your own voice, a world of endless possibilities. Mrs. MALIK RAMZY, Jumazaya din Mpontu and an opay baby will be ano yazebro, Mimenda no pebia finun son copim oye non kono. It's a badawasi, dandami mindesu. Eshehen Coastal TV yedase papa nsɛmpi no hɔ a yɛbɛdzi ho nkɔmmɔ nda no pɛi odzikan onche yɛate dɛ National Health Insurance Authority fo wɔreyɛ National Health Insurance ɛwɔ dɛ register bi a na ɛyɛ renew bi a wɔgye sika yɛate dɛ wɔsisi ɔyɛ free dan ya so yɛ mo free nti re-registration another free registration and a free renewal or kodo our central region our Ghana ha won bena wa ba chechirem years a chehen nkomo kakra bi so opede wodzi offer oye primary health care. What is the difference between one health insurance and a primary health care? Once one was secretary for then you na ebe na ebedzi hu komanda no pay. Na ansan ebe bedi dem common. Last week many honorable MC for commander deny gwa for me ni twetwe nkomo concerning 124-hour economy market and then other issues our commander deny gwa for adrim. Honorable Ismail Zagun Said ona me ni twetwe nkomo. Ye okwe say kakra na ya ba. But ansan nchenye nyina ye hu kakra bi ansan na ya kwakofa aba. Nsu I started there all to talk. The rain, the man of Yubaka, wa started all Paul ndi da yenyimosi na nansa yenyimosi na Ghana hanankasa ayo de he problem in hankasa jama yentumi yen solve. Rain's supposed to be a blessing, not a curse. So in Suta, instead of being look showers of blessing. So in Suta, in Sunotan, also do you insure my hand? Oh my yen may a prom. In Suta, I show why I show call. But Ghana had it in Suta. No, go for bumper the men soon to. I'm telling you, there are people who are praying that men soon to. Then so I'm Mpontu bed and about you was a friend in Mpontu. In Swanta, Mpontu bed, you know why they are praying that men soon talk? Because baby I Watson in Suta about for more than alcohol. Because baby I Watson in Suta won't to cover on Quajuma. So their prayer is that men soon talk. If you are Nayanko Ghana in Suta, no why know me, why a curse amahen on Yenshira. Koshe in so tondeda, Nandana Sakakra, I will takradi. Kofu pii no one yama say kwa Accra circle na kohwe Maurice wo and meteorological agency waka chen meteo for one wahwe rim nsuboto ewebobo nde nsuboto kakra obaye dem waka chen that this year we are already in May, today is 16th nsun oboto papa. There's going to be a very massive rain this year. Until you're ready, get ready to abreast with it. Baby at some is Sudan. And tell more permit and our more permit. One cassa so do Zika to assassin. In Hunde way in soup, and I know in soup. What any more and I crack your papers or sign your papers so I got to cement and where in the painting as another be Sudan. Still. Na adwu ho de nsutu amho ba chirema na amho enchire de be bia se nsu start de oto Ghana ha no bia resu fa brahwe na ha flood wa ha na demofu na ma ha na yifu na ma ha sometimes they blame assembly bibia yankopon we create the world in such a way that o bibia nsufa o bibia akoko Ghana for day ya be yebesi da na kokunu po ye kotutu kokunu ya ye degu fom ansa na yesia dan osutu ana wa ba fanya nyina akọ wose yanka nchiro bibia hwe hen fi bia o Star TV nsun oboto afi papa it will rain papa nsun boto mo bompa ye next week samansa baka meteo fo nankasa na me wona aba na nsam kro na ebiem bia odu no aka kire wetum waka kire wose nsu koto but nsu no ota odo ye blessing, showers of blessing, not showers of curse. Nsu to ana obi an ho kire ontu ka nsu akobi ni dem nsu ayedemi no the yada no the brain. No, that is not how it's supposed to be. And so I pick a crib in America. Actually, videos all circulate around the social media. Accra, Takra, even Cape Coast. I went to barrier. Ndida. When you get to the barrier, I mean pass some barrier. On your left, when you are going, on your left, then fit a fubio, and when you are flat. I mean, how? Maybe I 69 years as a nation, still in Sutra. Then we are crying? No. No. We shouldn't cry when it rains. No. What do you want? Why do you Sutra? No, you go. One yana them. It's a mother was an opay. Woman in our family Mpontu ye. Not the Mofuna will couldn't sweat over one rory. It's baby Sudan. In Yimbe in Suma, she shall corner for down Suta, or for down Hoako, or ever Baba for down, or for Waka, who we are one the many hours so that, and soon you know. And soon Nankasan offer baby appeal. You now name make a Sudan one, and so down for baby for Bianco. Please, assembly, I am a permit, Papa. I want Casa so do Sika as a quarter assassin. Assassin Yinsu says I be catch him there. Says I want to one ton assassin because assassin asa. A quarter be working okay in soon over here. And see, in soon a year ton. And see, we are not feel. Ne is wood down. Please. money is hard to come by these days. Oh, yeah, this kababa. This is any kakana sepede ye jepada. You want to invest and I pede ye property there. Shusha se papa oh na ye property no wado. Insuta inkusu. Obabu nyina. Kofi akra circle. Ndi den suka kroto ho nyina yama. Fafa elmi na ho baby. Igwe hankasa kota krade kofe. Why? 69 years we are still crying when it rains? No. Yanyenda. Madam Wanasi for your attention. Ma yenko na memenda we twem kwan. Yanyi honorable Zagun to twem komo. Yenko ti yeba pepepe mensa baka National Health Insurance mpenyimfo ha na kakra ho so won wazaka wa mahen. Kaide oyempuntu say wo good health and able to me Mpontu akodo Ghana. Say wapomuzin papa ye adwuma Mpontu ba. Thank you, producer. Look. Look. It turns out it beats my imagination. How can you build here? No, how can you build here? How can you build here? Everything is there. Should be on sooner to do. Should be on sooner level. When on my impakuna permit there, you have the right, or you can build a higher fine. Sabi, what's the more now? So and she show me second budu. Look at, I mean, Jane, as my American producer, me that's a papa. Let me show. Look, if you're down with one up on your investment, kakrabo, on your sika kakraba, look at the taxi. This is Ghana. This is Ghana. In Chisuto Beni, in your day in Shra, in soon the baby dama, look at the street, a street. A corner or dema car from cool. Straight. Can you imagine? A dama casakas, look at them. Look. This is Ghana. This is Ghana. How can you build here? Who gave that permit? They go to me sit down. Who? One normal permit they go to me sit down. Can you imagine? One normal permit they go to me sit down. So this one, the blame will go to the assembly. When I turn assassin, maybe Nana be not turning, the blame will go to the Nana. Nana to Navy, Nana Yimbo Yensuma. Assembly was by assessment when we do Yensuma. Okay, assembly for one Casaso Assembly, at to winning in Fifi, Edu Sika, as a combo memory, even the Sika by waster. Tell me, how long will this building last? How long? Within 9. I yin scanner. Ebi I am running yenya, but say brain ya, yan share kwan papa eba for the use. Now nyina no ho abam for so amahen. Insuta, it shouldn't be a curse. It should be a blessing. Insu or todo yin shira, oze maame, oze ma wonso. Insu so na baby papa na okwa, butu we kogu baby, ehia bi akoso bi. Look at. I didn't Jewa, evidence will assassin. Because baby is a soon fan. Obi is in down. Baby or 7 soon often. Obi will sit down into soon often. Never baby up the buffer. No, we will streeter, sika, what the street on your sika caban soon all that. Can you imagine in Ghana? Isi dana e yebe nso ataa mo abudo nso to ya mo mbrodo bebi nso to ka krebia obafan nimpa esini dan ho we ko sini hotel we ko si ni guest house we ko sini fie we ko sini store ho nti mo ba yen producer medase papa for the footages are each hand e we usika na pedis wo dan ahwehwe asase papa na sidan ho do mama won koto nsu one farm mom, then coffee or there be so down. On coin farmer. I sometimes let me blame assembly. We want to walk around, what supervise, what would they are? Okay, I hear ye, and I hang yet, baby obedience in the ye, and I want yet. Is out whom or UCC. This is University of Cape Coast. My friend says, Casford Hall, Minimum. Can you imagine? This is University of Cape Coast. Where Zenith Bank is? Look, University of Cape Coast. Why? Door bandam. Why door bandam? This is University of Cape Coast. This is University of Cape Coast. Nsuto a flat. Nsuto kekre bi na ho nyina ayema. Baby ehwe TV na ehwe left I want Casford or park. Casford parking. Ho nyina ayema. Park na waye lagoon. This is Casford Park. This is Casford. Can you imagine? Producer, infenso, madasi ai. Madasi papa. That is the situation I will Ghana. Ubia so an usi ne dan baby ope. Ubia so an usi ne dan e den ope bia na usi. Baby ope bia na usi no store. Baby ope bia na otu no bolago. That is the situation. 69 years as a nation. 69 years. We are waiting for the day that the leadership in Ghana will work. Leadership in Ghana. Says here on Yejuma. It's not been working for since. Watch it. Yenya yadi 2 minutes yadi mawana. Na mo working ina we two go. Leadership supposed to work in Ghana as soon as possible. Obibasi as soon as practicable. Leadership. So leadership is it means they are accounting to us. But I know as a Ghanaian, we don't demand accountability from our leaders. We don't. These are the times where I got to Abamon. That is it. We don't demand accountability. We have to demand accountability. We demand that you come and accountable to us. If we demand accountability, nche ibuhunde Mpontu wa Ghana wako nenyim. Nche ibuhunde Mpontu development wa Ghana nche ibuhunde wako nenyim. Badi yankasa wahu wabena wabaka chehen wia yetu wabeni wia no biya nusu bana asasa na yasan su yetno yabakasa afifufu bebebio na yasan yakotubio na yetno. The situation doesn't change. It continues like that and it's getting deteriorated or say cry Ghana will say cry. And let's demand accountability from our leaders. Yayandama, Ghana will develop. Yayandama, Mpontu P Baba Ghana. Mpontu P Baba Bibia Shami Findano Pay. Mpontu P Baba Efi Ahemfa Central Region. Mpontu P Baba Efi u community, u constituency, u metro, u assembly, u district. Nina Mpontu Baba. If only we demand accountability from our leaders. Medasi, Malik RAMZY, Mpontu, Costa TV, your own face, your own voice. Yanko na yankoti Zagun concerning the 24-hour market. K commanded Negro for Abrim, we do him for what start and other issues. Yeba, your health insurance for what you drink. Good morning.
Yeah, I'll be able to be able to do. You should just have bad these are pressure everywhere. Sure. But you have to. Pressure no but them need you pinting. Now show me be answer. Wako ye na odam. Ono pe man say mo wachi bi. Ya da se ye tun safra waba. Must be done. Embe na ye din komo na ye hwe. 24-hour market nzemo bobum na azi na ye kwa ha na ye ba ha. Mo si wo Cape Coast I don't know. But ye hwe mo we sin na. But that would the wala ba chire ma chen say ekun anye baby na oya somdwe na obi aje atum za na no ye kɔ na ye kɔ. Okay, mama mo achi bio na mama wa kwa ba. Yeah, bejodo. Honorable Ismail Zagun Said, ono ye MC Ozema oye commander Edina Igwafo Abrim. Honorable once na ye be hwedwumazini nyina na na me bi so ye be zi market no nkomon. Briefly 24-hour economy. Buini ka kredi fache. Yo. Ozikana medasi. Mda ya kwenje kasi. Oda mende ahenso matiana. Yenzi hen municipality hu nkomo. Mda aye president. Ne Boshe. Another name is Zadunwa. Mda jere campaign. Odo to there eben ikronkrowa igozi yada osomo kase nti amama bebia wonyegwa botum hozi honugwa
and kei answer fortunate when he ka ho na ehwe de wo wache na chere me fan de me to alpe ma so ma ko adwuma we see the guy no start at 8 o'clock owie 5 o'clock na ebedam period no awu entumi ya kwande bia sepe bibi part of goma ebutuma akona ekezigwa but after 5 o'clock no say epuna it goes in what time asabi ugwa ti ebotum puno yin opportunity na ekezigwa me mo example on chebe just week here we twemia na me pedru bi ato nti biko kepkos na mo ko pharmacies na in fact we call about 3 pharmacies. I couldn't go do body. No more 7 no. No park and Wolfen. Almost 7. But you need me feed it by 8, 9, 10 in no. So the man you were because I had a pharmacy. Oh
yes.
The boot will be a time behind the 2 minute a quarter. Until every 24-hour economy now I have a market now. Or your president need feed it any time there's any point in time behind a person there a quarter as you are. Oye ugonimuno odo tumina inyibi na eto I think that's the essence don't bend there ekwas watum last week last 2 weeks no me fi Germany me bay now you go for program oye sister city program if from Monday you do ho Sunday Monday look on Friday na yanji ahu oye Saturday good then no day if you off Saturday na yeba at least you could do the yento 1-2 be from where at least
na na mokwa na mazina de bana ha ko wala ni nyim na ko ma nkra ha ko abada
na the mean to go call off at 9 o'clock no shopping mall bi ho ofo mula na it's a big mall
yeah
na yesu be 7 to 8 today ibotum na you could do what is so 9 o'clock 9 o'clock so the car I don't know Sashi Ghana you jumana Bibia start with 8 o'clock.
Yes.
And that's it's at least so little na mpo about 8 the botu na Bibia to.
Okay.
Na said after ejumano so ekwa botu na Bibia to. Nti ni na no president na bani ne so the at least ukro bia botu mwezi gwa botu boost economy no. Ono so fi wa or serve as employment. Because there are so many things are over them 24-hour marketing. About one month why? Yeah.
Yeah, that's the most honorable can na ye go through na ye bo nzama owum na ade but ye ni na ye na yabaka that you focus on ke wodzi ya ate there was ye nya videos ni bi o ha ye mu there was so abofo mu was so fie titim na ade bo ho koma kakra chi na we nya baby anyi mfa na we nya na otedam
okay we that's mbra bani bepa wo fain as MC no me yata the dwumazi babado in fact wo fain po Accra
okay
me ko mo he no ho imizi as to how as in boko nti if you obey na me started the me stakeholders engagement because first of all they hu ahemfo they hu igwafo it's like obiala matebia no they tumina wedding komo nti started yidi komo no wacha Ashkeya or your 4 traditional areas.
Okay.
But in Bremuno, I hear in capital town and Elmina. And Bibi to them so although to see baby in the Podomo what time be gozi okodo. I hear in Elmina urban fishing a year gozi kodo papa. And in fact, order to argue no due to na ya him fu ya di komo na yesh baby is besi. Nti Elmina you be able for a new market.
Okay.
We see new market no. In fact, e ko gonu mai hoi obi amba ho. Kofunya wo pio ho gogo mpa no ho. Na sabo the mugwa na nkasa NDC time all rollers in the time na the mugwa na be si ho.
We be for a new market.
New market no.
Okay.
Oye me predecessor wonye no be ko ya me fa no kan say oye honorable Austin Thomas Ankoma.
Okay.
Na be the mazi obesi ho. Na bebe no mu do e de gonu mato akonkofunya ogu mpa no nipa kakra bi na waka no ho na ehwe ekesi so a yehia e dai go na che ye obi Oh, I but because actually mini marketing here we have about 8.5 acres.
Okay.
Land. Until here 4 acres.
Oh, how much here 4
acres? Yes, the major main. Tell me no. The mother but commission is fair now. So yam obesiwa, I want to walk panu in nano, and I want to walk in nano, Waba, the mayor about na when you go for the din come it's like I want to be in Kukuano, and was in Como, and I heard you to me there. The made that from Messi, the may be it. And to find the Indian Como, Kuchi, F. Gooms was your market women association. I tell you, Pefudano. I may start to engage you when I will do to me the ampa. Says there's a margin about Botumina. So you engage him for the 2. I am Uncle so none of me engagement, many MP. And I hear the major. I hear you to me there. You hear the major man.
Okay. The most honorable culture, deep consultation, Ubia Jitum. And son and say one the new marketing a one is about more than 8 acres so we use about 4.5 now for now this market some market now the same plan for the whole Ghana and also
Ghana module 1 up to 4
okay so now
so module 1 and module 2 no all are similar
okay
and say actually na share for me neighbor of the Cape Coast module no similar
oh yeah but only the same or similar
it's like just few ebina
okay
that's
okay
enti the man oti na your model 3 and 4 on so we Messi oti o depend district you know another municipality you know
okay
another metro no na wo hwe na enti I hear from model 1 okay even do mu we ni wa model 2 but anya bibia o ha adwum bia a chere oye bibia obebisu mama ikoro nim no wada ho na he so nya because me ben nim ni share na ma dwunya wo de at least odi tu nya shopping mall bi wo Elmina me ben nya na dem kasa no me kan sana dam eyi oriba so me na chede wa ba shedam plansa na ye wo for oye because Elmina kasi ye sheda ye ni market bia e wa oye mall na bibi dam nti you know wa ba sheda ni ma in fact Elmina for you agide another key for you agide the maji obeso no otum aboa
ye hu no TV ne do some of the footage there Oma hin is asor bo na also the pickers rebo ho we wo titi nti wa sha asa na da be na oba sha
asa yamina do ma contractor no site wa sha se
wow
yeah pastor we ju ho a pastor we mo me no kesia se wie botum akọ ya da start we because look there young contractor no wa sha bo there ehwe time po de sha na po bo wi ansa na time na so because you be why na agent there obey you man why na why ni
honorable no ordinary security for what is why na me sure that oye offended foreman but show me bibia wa kodo so nti honorable how the period although
I them there 2 years
2 years not all the way
okay yes
contractor na ofi hala
contractor ni fia am there wom hwenkofo mozo kofo botum na why you
penentam
anya contractor bia
we say you do botum we nentam okay
nti ono wakaye sabe Ghana samso yede bia sabe yiminimiti memfaman or they to the your capacity obotum no why you no I think that's what
but obviously ejumafo na wo fa hono bodoso efiel mi na
special I think any contractor can cry even me my mistake for the kai
okay
the fa yan comfort papa na as a company about yan comfort because air contractors will complain the effort for na sometimes to delay wejuma and I witness some one of my for the community Mrs. 6 unit class in the Menocas Quapo. Last week, me come Menocas, we see
okay, we
see Shala on Chibia, a commission.
Okay.
Now, contracting with Macacha on Fokumofo. No Fokumofa on where you man do baby or the way you was working you are back. Can you imagine? Contractors who made them timeline. Timeline. Until you go do one was it? No, Master. Yes, I know they can for young coffee, but I say be on your nagin there, obey you, Jumana, because something on your Nankasani personal Juma or your assembly Juma. I say, tell me that. It's amazing to be saying that young coffee work for 1 hour. I was wondering why you obey you, Juma. there was a complaint so no but the contractors were for kromofuna sabe many evidence but complain about the sabe wanzama was you no wo fofa odi ku fie afu che sabe on twe ye forma forma here ye ka de bia ye bre MC ye pejumo ye so boso a na so wa ka ye ba chi bi ni nti misre contract ya ka channel in fact he is ready there about pick go for baby if because let me put bed na man no be baby aba because everybody pe baby mom order that kind of thing nti bobo put when you go for ha no go to na ba hwe na why eduma na me sema mu kwa fa ma so for eduma na wo mu nyu nko eduma no because baby be start no any baby akọ kodru nti oru tu mu ma wo yeko na wo nya bote na wo ye e be chire mi pa oh our hard working mam no ntu kwan na se no so ko eduma baby a na chede why am I
I kasa metsi asembi na kan dey obi biara no wo the new market na owo go ho a we fi ho we market na dem kofu nyina obia obasan so aba we nyane ze
sure
normally aya owi market pepepe na chi azna ya politics gofu wo fifi baby na oba jeje stores ba sha won dam
yes and you take data so okay yeah you take data. First of all, I should go and what the down. I'm confirmed Bemino. Ubiara or stores, no one Bembiano. Up to time, and then Poconian for it. Okay. I want to what's in a hole, so what you do, or what you know, what's on, don't coffee house you take with data. And they'll be the first people. Ever share, as you want, and maybe piano. Young yet for a beer, you did. Because everybody should say piano. Maybe be so herself. Because I'm fine, shows aqua. That's a matter. And think of you can go to no matter what the situation. It's not by NDC, it's not by MPP. But could be any stores. Stores no doors. But we need to consider those people no. Most of the sana. Yeah, I want to order what's where they also order. Aha, and see. I boy the show so Yakopa I do this be a queer. Let's say to come to that. The master
okay. The most honorable kind like Igonoso. So we see we papa na mayi na the man a warrior na obaya krabo hampa obaya krabo the most okay model 1 na model 2 na model 3 na model 4 ni nyina wo mbi but they should keep course dia ye baba ye be yi mo si yi na honorable ba ye be yi na about 132 local stores
the same thing
okay then he is the same
that's what I'm saying there
see the na about later netum ya hwe na bibia nso wa koye na ozama henti
they were another 132 stores
yes ye dini about to go see ya na ye ni ya la kira wan na bibia nso ni ya ye nyima okodo Cape Coast ahiadzi irika ho na irika ho ha na irika ho dzinzi wa mbanda mosekan deep consultation koda we nya hon location another site utum woye hon ejuma fefefe ho ma bibia nso akoye nti honorable ye dance papa and the producer ma yenhwe honorable tsa headi yenhwe ase na yenhwe what the you are using when I interviewed the PR for Cape Coast about 40 point something million. Wouldn't them not? Okay, so you are sharing the same thing with Cape Coast. Yes. Almost 41 million.
Yes.
Okay.
And there is also our common fund.
So Abana said use 25% of your district assembly common fund.
That is it.
That's at one. And two, on Insana or your 24-hour market. Insana often 24-hour. And then the aim is to reduce youth unemployment.
Sure.
It's not there. So your construction they will view or the maybe now commander go for a bill when you
good.
Wonderful.
Good.
And then when we say you there, we provide 24 ultra modern market and then commercial centers across the country. Producer, you move and share the core facilities of Babam. Yes, sir. You move and call the core facility. 132 local shops.
Good.
132 open shed. 160 open pavement selling areas.
Yes. Etwen momoyo. Etwen moko.
Okay. 10 warehouses.
Yes.
Lorry terminal for commercial vehicles.
Yeah.
Station. Nkana Kotokraba and a private station or so lorry parks for large trucks. Cars I was in okay. Meat shop about 10 vendors.
Yeah.
Environmental office.
Good.
Market manager. Important manager marketing office.
Yes.
Okay.
Information center.
So Mama ya tell one so bandama the market belong to the assembly.
That is it.
Assembly
to yes.
Okay.
That is it.
Okay. Okay.
Because our assembly common fund.
Yes.
Nobody will see.
Okay. The assembly number manager Vivian Suako. Yanti do producer. And see yesha yetiada and okay, information center baba ho parcel office with storage ni nyina okahombi yanko the supporting facilities okahom police post.
Yes.
Police food.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Fire post.
Yes.
And hydrant.
Yeah.
6-bed clinic.
Yes.
Pharmacy.
Yes.
Refuse disposal and collection point.
Yeah.
Another payment catch on.
Good.
If baby a mom won't carry up or drainage system, food court, the livestock bay, and offended. Mponchin and fine.
Since I share fund baby open shirts na azin kwa ye pede koskei ebe ye wo oye offend poultry farmers association.
Okay.
Ewa nti pede wo wiokwa yetu baby ahoso nkoko na azi botum na
okay.
Onye mponchin kotin nkoko baby so wo ton nkoko akaka nkoko botum na akotobi.
Yeah, that's papa. So crèche so baba ho.
Yes.
For about 40 people.
Yes.
Nti
yes.
I was store ho na say pede wo ba ko school a sha wonchen wa.
Yes it. That is the apple as well as coffee.
Women's Bank.
Yes.
Gofu P was Women's Bank or Acha on my.
No. I was about facility maybe away with Mono. I didn't see that was actually
marketing.
Him. So because extra a Women's Bank. Yes. Supposed to go to Wizzy. It was one to call commercial bank. It's one. It's
a good idea. Women's Bank or the Vice President now come out.
Papa.
See, Professor Nana Jeno Pokwajman. Prof, good morning. Baby, will be more supermarket. Them also okay. Then you want one because of plan open with supermarket and more.
If I'm starting to engage my crowd in Kofa, Kobutumina,
Saloon room, restaurant room,
yes, barbering shop,
6-bed hostel.
Yes.
Biana enya ho bi a pedo bada ho butum na wabada. What's obey disability friendly.
Yeah.
Disability friendly. Onye da wo ya ma sabi nyanko sen awo sabi sawona na oyoyo sawonso na oyoyo sabi wonyumpo na we frame pa ibutum akoma keto na ekidigwa. Producer you share the ground floor the sketch. The ground floor the sketch wonderful. Wonderful. That's the ground floor sketch. You share the first floor as well. First floor, wonderful. The marketing, the first floor, fair dama. Nature, you got 3D views and then share pictures. Most wonderful. Wow.
This is what we are going to have.
Oh no, dama. We are sure.
No, yes. Into your monitor. Because that's the plan.
Yes.
So. You as a contractor cannot change it.
Yes.
And my government is that buying.
Okay.
And the non-working now.
But you move on the 5 posts. 5 posts is wonderful.
Yeah.
The my area. It's in kind of photo. Wonderful. I mean, my prayer is that obey the same thing.
Yeah.
Yes, obey the same thing.
Yeah.
And it's nice.
That's what I'm saying there. The contractor cannot change. Is working with the document.
What's able to my
yes,
okay. Wow. And we stores in the P1 in our stores. 24-hour market. 24-hour market. 24-hour market. Wonderful. Maybe a bus is BC, maybe a trucks in BC, Ghana Fire Service, Munina, Fedama. Wow. Oh, if you okay, if you were cracked, yes.
But today,
you are waiting for that day.
Yes.
Yeah, we do for that day. Oh, yeah, for papa. Oh, yeah, for.
And the wall is warm.
Oh, yeah. But mama, why are fine?
Yeah.
What a drawing.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Yeah.
Okay. So the main market, business center, and then Neyambarosun also will take about 3 acres. Listen carefully. Information in Yansaka. The main market. Producer that's right. The main market, business centers, na immediate surroundings. We hear about 3 acres.
Yeah.
Okay, so them contracted 3 to 4 acres.
Yes.
Okay. We end them at the main market no so continue na account surrounding na internal work ni na 4 acres na bibia so aba na bibia so akoye producer kokro ka hom yenhwe view kakaka na wo so na was ready be at one na yenhwe eyiye hwehwem ma yin akepos ka ho edna ka ho ni nyina ya fefefe location na yachin kepos had na what's what called a conjunction nti na no ho asmp wa ban but ye be enden ye hwe okay producer wonderful nti Cape Coast in Almina so ni nyina wo mbi nti one thing Cape Coast they choose at this other first mpanyimfo anja nto won san kasa asen woba stadium Cape Coast Sports Stadium no so mpanyimfo anja nto wo comment person was say wonye baby wo ho but the consultant say it's not suitable for that and am kofu pi want us them question maybe so that one thing wonya wo hu pepe assembly the location or the site is your responsibility how do they choose what you see assembly amount
yempere bebesi market obey white elephant I get it.
Proximity, the site, the proximity is very important. Yes. Kodona bro.
Anything intentem na me ahemfo in the main painful I would consult one in no mo consult one ma ye hu de elimina no oboboa because where baby a sabe nkofu tukomba hopa onam afarjuma nti nti say no two baby so one so say drive e wo main road enter la encheda na edu ho
adamayu
yes nti you cited 2 places there's one year like e dey hen assembly block no edible low station no akwende ho kese even though na nke ekeji no me sure the ho de botum na yenya
okay
nti cited baby ebien na yenya yitum do no you do call new market one about because inyama drive in ape na chere nti that's the consultation here yitum there your phone call okay so sometimes we be the so here somebody be say na wi na chi kofu ntum won ko twaze about the match that no
ho amba for odo bukrum
yes a point
elimina food ho tie na bukrum ho tie
but make sure you there in konkru where here to ni na no sometimes they consider future abanyema na botum yenya abanyema na botum wa ba odin baby a yezibesi atimasa nti say here to crew the me ya odutum ye factor because abemeti said mo abra
yes
because me more na formal no na me ya baby a mosumo bo me kakra it say mo keyimpo na se ebia mo koto bibi na se mo Cape Coast mutumu ni me rush wa ha ewa wa abra na mutumu na nti sobo kroma na nko oboa I think the ekwana so sheda bad me sheda me steady ho
na ba awodnanti yenjam asa yendi na nkomo yenya Cape Coast fast one even in America the matter me because the 24-hour economy marketing or central government
sure
as usual and making the 24-hour marketing other related issues so ye can na mo hwe bibi kakra wa ha the 24-hour market is central government project, which is being undertaken in all the MMDCs across Ghana.
Ghana, 261.
Yes, 61. So the model for the market need a land the size of 6 acres.
Good.
4 or 6 so
Yes.
so we yes. The market is designed to run 24 hours, hence cannot be sited away. Cannot be sited away or far away from the busy centers of Elmina and Akikus.
That's it.
It's location, the site is very important.
Yeah. Because you don't want situation whereby actually be in the market is be why
no be anko. Another walk over we have 5 or 6 into yes. So the market, the model of the market need the most I can say 6 acres and then the as a fund MCs the Metropolitan Chief Executive and the Metro Chief Executive one who choose a contractor. No. That's it. Matter I say. And then the site is it on one responsible. Yeah, you are responsible for the site. Okay. Yati papa. Yati. Yeah, that's it.
But I think in consultation with stakeholders.
Exactly. Exactly.
One thing to be sure.
Right. Yeah. You bomb pay am on market no ayi na ubu ya no ya bana ya
bomb paper market no obaba. But I hear be there azini.
Okay. Yeah, it's a 24-hour economy market. Na mi honorable Zagun Said me ne twetwe man. Ya fa no nto kakra. Ya obe mbir kakra wo hanyim. Assembly ti den.
Ya me na de baboko.
Guda hoboko.
Guda ya.
Afi Germany ba in chari. Ejuma ya kafa fana project bi aba na.
Ya ejuma na ana ade hankware.
Okay.
Send yentu intafa ko. Time you do to share baby sufi baby. Na itumi na ya implement. Even though sometimes systems are all hono or be different slightly different from any system or her. But itumi you adopt obi so the system na dey kan ya dey homa ya dey boa. You require for particularly exchange of programs.
Okay.
Education, sanitation, water, and how waste management.
Okay.
In gender issues. In I think when transportation system na di ayakoya chede kay dam program no. In fact, so the weekend from Monday they could do hodo. For because there was a programmer and then every Saturday piano what you call ma
okay.
Yeah, but it's financially intensive.
And even Bibia Isika. So me pede ya assembly. Na ye share the last time ever had different marketing account but different project na we take shape we good ya kase se kan krubia we order on chebia obobo ya no for him from the project how far so far na bibia school down
your project bebre ho.
Yes.
Your school done, your hospital chip compound, your boreholes.
Okay. The producer will try. Producer
oh yes.
Okay.
We can say them see class will go. We can say we are. But contractor called me. That was about 2-3 days ago.
Okay.
They are couple years. Might be a Monday.
Okay.
Because just last week, man said more.
Okay.
Moko way painting.
Okay.
Moko way painting. Man, you win ya.
Producer,
yes. Yes. This is
okay.
I think Control.
Okay.
The KG classroom blog.
Yes.
See, you can. In your marketing, you win ya. You can landscaping, no.
Okay.
I'm quite why, but the chibi there of a man. I believe that by Monday.
Okay.
Yes, Yankees. In Karasu Guda on Chebia Obowie. I think Hembo will no delay because of procurement issues. And some of us, young Pede, may open a Juma, they could fear in the Biano, but them, it's like no. So I the magic, no, that's one side. And tell us one idea. I'm a Sabu, a Chinebi Ubia Utuna, we home for so. But we look at say, boho sinya wotua wodi ofan and pumps I shebe no kesi ebim ko wire stand by next week and so ebim so bo oba hand over whether my netum na ya commission urban sanitation na skip containers or a problem ahead apart from one or ozimula ho or ya assembly na nkasa na hen skip containers or ko no be it
Martin
and therefore
understand about
look see any da there's 5 skip containers it be assembly we see here any there 5 yes I think I can even show you yeah I can show you the any there yes ABC or assembly ho you the boko mbambia
say na mam na mo hade say na mo hade na yenhwe na bibia so nkoyi no fama enta na bo hwehwe na that TV ndam ho
good
na ya
ma men send them
say na mam na fama producer na nhwe nti Costa TV your own face your own voice ona bu ya bama hen obey so ka road ho asam kakranka okay chene ho na wo ye keep Costa crowd road wonyina wogudu awoye one machine obobo one mutu wayeyi commander road no kon occident nti honorable ya dance nti yo nti yentiedo
nti urban oye health center so the chip compounder no so ebi me no kwese gudugudigidi wa chekra ebi me end ni bibi abakwa ne saka mo se de yesaka etumi ama nkofo wakom na senti kwa no mduma wodi yedi sidam schools na chip company wotumu na waye juma nti hen kono so na asem so hen contractors no godo me ke say efa aguna road in fact contractor li juma it's the contractors wo be he na no but they are really working because efa Baltimore road I found that adiba atabaza so yes right yeah neso contractor no oguda we efa na bobiano akwan neso contractor no oguda oli ejuma me no ka say contractor odo ye abina fa na senate abina ko no so wa start na ejuma nti ya wande akopa na duma contractor na hwe big push na kasa so a ogudu gidi and then na ye site meeting for highway fubai ma ye start wo eduakro on the contractor na omo hono or start engagement from Diakro
na was called
Takradi
okay
until then answer was started site meeting makaoma yetumina nti so far odwuma bi azugu from biano oguda okoda henso monitor because mamati maintenance tambia makola mkoshoma okodo so that we ready when echi when dey mama contract bi ejuma na sabe wakar last maybe yenya challenges as challenge but also for ya zo ba shala bibia okodo
okay
nti last member catch on was break yi yeah also break yi da was meet me na shop okodo gati any be better yaka na ba ni okodo tum ko hwe ni de mereke no ko da oni ejuma na de
agree me that see Costa TV your own face your own voice me pede yitwe ye ho ye bo hwe skip containers na honorable ozaba oze basis one na yiwia itum ye jan kon ma wako ochina ya Mother's Day na maybe say na mama tasa na ontasi e bia na yezi na number obo wish you happy Mother's Day ansana Costa TV Mrs. MALIK RAMZY yada ye ho ya besisi ayaba ma ho bia ye zbotiedo
sweet mother I never forget you
Uncle Government Costa TV and the
National Petroleum Authority say, Mawa Bambo hu hia ukane. Ain't no, stay back and stay safe. National Petroleum Authority ebo obi bia kokose se fuel tank enya akwanhia na edane a menko ho nkwaye wadwen se okosisa petrol anafango no na afin so menye wadwen se wo ben fuel tank enya akwanhia ne ho akwa akodwitwa videos ana pictures na petrol anafango wo hwen so uhua ko wo mu a enye sunsun aso bone ewo apomeden sem so fango so eho ahometinti no enfom so akitu ebi ebetumi ameja tom ama na gise ewom eba ne saa nipa dodo timi femu hihye ehwe mo nkwa emeja pade dodo na nso esei eno nti memfa wo nkwa nto chacha enye saa obenu ho nkwa na nyina se wo hu se fuel tank bi enya akwanhia na dane ama fango no ebugu mpa hwa na wa aman ho da stay back and stay safe. Emomo no aya fredum je jumayefo ana posifo no mo mehwe so ano wutumi nso efre National Petroleum Authority ewo 0302 550 380 kaise wonkwa wo hoi eho hia bebre esensa afango no kokoboi National Petroleum Authority enede bro.
Your own face, your own voice. Gone by, they will see, I'm a prayer chance here.
Coastal TV, Jumedi for Friday by Mpontu. It's about development. You discuss issues of national concern, issues of central concern, matters that concern central region and Ghana. Mpontu sama offer capos, baby will be Mpontu sama offer. Or your one and answer there or Saturday or the Mpontu, or the baby on the Yedin in Fubana over Trans. We are no what the man. Or your one and answer the Mpontu Baba capos. One and answer the Mpontu Baba central region. One and answer the Mpontu on Baba Ghana in Nara. Mpontu sama offer capos, baby will be Mpontu sama offer. Or your one and answer there or Saturday or the Mpontu, or the baby in the P. And a but Nasi, women down of Pediara. Live ever Coastal TV. Coastal TV, your own face, your own voice.
No me yesi machara. Yesi machara.
sell gift shop, a place you can rely on. You call on us and we'll deliver. Thank you.
National Petroleum Authority say, Mawa Bambo hu hia ukane. Ain't no, stay back and stay safe. National Petroleum Authority ebo bibia kokose se fuel tank enya akwanhia na edane a menko ho nkwaye wadwen se okosisa petrol anafa ngo no na afin so menye wadwen se wo ben fuel tank enya akwanhia ne ho akwa kodwetwa videos ana pictures na petrol anafa ngo wo hwen so ohua ko wumu a enye sunsu aso bone ewo wapomoden sem so fango so eho ahometinti no enfom so akitu ebi ebetumi amaja tom amana gise ewom eba ne saa nipa dodo timi femu hihye ehwe mo nkwa emeja pade dodo na nso esei eno nti memfa won nkwa nto chacha enye saa obenu ho nkwa na nyina se wo se fuo tanka bi enya akwanhia na adane amafango no ebugu mpa hwa na wa aman ho da. Stay back and stay safe. Emomo no aya fredum je jumayefo ana posifo no mo mehwe nso ano wutumi nso efre National Petroleum Authority ewo 0302 550 380 kaise wonkwa wo hoi eho hia bebre esensa afango no kokoboi National Petroleum Authority ene de bro.
TV, your own face, your own voice. You better was they good at Asia. And I pay hands I can't pay fufi or National Health Insurance. Jimozibia Woodzi, so do you to me in one banana in Chimukura and ABM or Hobbiton watch him. Now was the chair, but I'm saying, and I pay in Komafa, Usua Oboto Afi. Met you for catching and Suboto papa and see Ghana and the most in the can suta or a case, I know me. Njabo inshira supposed to be a blessing when it rains, but I have mpaaba da men sunto because sunto ane dembo mi ne de na nwina nsunu be yiwa wa fa ne da ne nyina ne yema nyina asai. That's not how it's supposed to be. Nti se ekoto asase a hwehwe bebi asase onye waterlog bebi ansuto a onkafa yedi hu dem nkomo na no pay ye beda was papa and honorable Zagun so last week nkomo ayi to concerning the 24-hour economy market our key commended na go for abirum no so hwe na udom dia odema hen fefe dem amraso the National Health Insurance for ye hu to twen nkomo nda no pay my yatin there wo ye re-registration free registration and free renewal free what's Ghana nothing is free. One is free, you pay. Maybe someone there, or you're free and on you're free. And I pay my mom on Augustine, Mr. Mighty, and I hear them here. Akwaba. Okay, Eba Costa TV. Yenzin Komo. Augustine here, Public Relation Officer, as my Ghana National Health Insurance, our Central Region. And Matthew, Eba Kipkusa, I know your district chairman, right? District manager, okay, on our share, keep good science. If you hire you, Papa, National Health Insurance, what shall I fair. It's a some more actually. Obviously, good morning.
Good morning, senior.
Yeah, that's the Papa to himself from Wanwaba.
I'm also a dancer.
Health insurance. I want to PRO.
Access to health care. Your
health insurance.
Your access to health care.
Oh, okay. Health insurance.
Yes, access to health care.
Oh, okay, that's
I don't know about NHIS. No, your access to health care.
Your access.
Your access. Yeah, more access. Yeah, more
your health care. Oh, okay, that's wonderful. Our IPR was Central Region. Briefing and Kakra. For the whole of Central Region. National Health Insurance. New state to them.
Yo. But your mama bombs now, Manda Watts, and I'm a pink jacket and wait here for 1 hour shine. Mama for the book, I know some pink chair for Mammy, Central Regional Director, Mr. Could you such a quite something? and any chance of my phone. The first time I was there, Coastal TV.
Oh, okay, now
what I'm seeing is very good.
And I know they will you choose.
For sure.
You're more acquired suspect.
And for the teacher was so saying to the health insurance for home. What maybe says it?
Yes.
Martin there. I'm a candidate. So far, so very good.
So far, so very good.
So very good.
Okay, the state of health insurance
in your central, the moving man to man. Now, if you think man to man, you were offices including 14.
Okay.
Offices I in the region or 14. Now, the office in Ano, bearing you are bra, or you mazen. Now, say, you're a shake. And up Yamazambo or Doma, yes, no, by health insurance, market the work on can be brave.
Okay.
Intino, Sebisama, no, as Mama Canyon.
Yeah, that's it. Papa, Coastal TV, your own face, your own voice. So, yeah, generalizing our central region. Now, give us a manager, give us a quarter. You central region, Cape Coast in it too. So, okay, central means okay, Cape Coast.
Yeah. Amazing can make sure one or and one so it's an on your dream workers, NHR workers, and which Mazina, where you was work Ghana for.
Okay.
Health insurance for Cape Coast on your bad crowd. Health insurance for Cape Coast, all one home wasn't because your pede will be on your apomizina. Uncle Hobby man away. Inti ahwe asa 31st April this year around Kensenbeno na Cape Coast Central region in Yezinkan.
Okay.
Echo the whole Ghana, not the regions, the entire all the 16 Ghana 16 regions one district na na Cape Coast yet or the 9.
Oh really?
Yes.
Wow.
Only change was na yeah. Yeah the share be bra kwakuma electoral area, I feel comfortable using electoral area because electoral area or other small communities within. I'm sure I decided I work in I'm bad decided estate. I'm bad decided here. But I'm electoral area representing the entire decided. Electoral area Cape Coast this year I am crowd. They are registered for. Yako yasin suri yako yasin suri yako. You good idea there. You able to cover majority of the people. Nyangasa I share the in Kabade year 2013. You register quite a Ghana in register 80% represent the UHC. That is the universal health coverage. As a time we can say them 80% of the population. In 87%, 0.74 as at now. Okay. See, with base, and
Chasam and the visa point, one Casawash, some so young Shasin for you are here for a purpose and pay registration, free registration, and free renewal. Take us through Amazon or the Mazi Abba, Ofunyiska was by one register now, important to do now. The next few minutes or the my background and can I share MBB and so in the BBA or free CCR or the Mosi manager can electoral areas and our communities and work be beer or register one. It's a way.
You Mapachobebre or any chance mobazi, but I want you there. Ghana Funina and other Timamu Fubutu Hospital and I said you bear no on Cabade, Sikabe on our Quincy. Now, you may also again or to the beer. BBF friend store. Another day, yesterday in Bruby. Now, you may deny it in such a crabia be man. Obutum Wabwa, Domino, Botum Wabo join. Another, Yabakare Bimpa, or join health insurance card a new ref, Obotum, when young Kade, any chance. Now, I feel the storm and I obey, in paying foot in a form now way in a day. Following the introduction of the free primary health care policy, Penning Kessie, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, or Lonchino, none who are kicking there, or they are Ghana Funya, or Bear Tumunya, health insurance. Now, Mr. Sudaman and Penning folk. ɔyɛ from 15th April makanda bosumo twemi no we declare free nationwide registration and renewal for all residents in Ghana.
Okay.
Na na wasem nyina nye there our retain biara any health insurance card no from India's makanda waka by 15 days more for this.
Yen fana was start yen fana 1 month prepare pay.
No, okay. It started from 15th April. Okay. And then so year 16th. Tiyarisha, exactly 15 days more nenche or ye them free wa baby. Na motika sepanya day. Baby no onye any day we botum wat na wa na yaraba kakra bi ntino onko tumunko hospital. Na obedema oye adza oho cause say tememufuni nyapo muzina
Buntu biara
nkodo buntu mankapeskamba. Now most importantly so no Ghana being part of the United Nations UN for agenda be often SDG goal, Sustainable Development Goal of achieving universal health coverage by the year 2030. No na Ghana for to county so yasem ye there all ye them we are doing na yin strategy kwa ye pede there by 2030 na nche we are safa na baby alon o men bia butu wonya 80% of the population a obotu ho akwaya sabia sabe onka ye there means sika anamo ho achim dodo ama sabe yare ba che de wotu mpo wo hwe ma etum nya apo mo de etina nkwemu no wa kabane dem enti as part of efforts by the government. It is the NHIS or the main vehicle or channel to achieve this UHC by 2030. No, no wama and the abandon so what to the middle. So the Maza, Mr. Quenya to Hama to Mamfuni Nara. One Mazana, 1 year health insurance card free and to be not some do Miniscam with the Beno. Abandon ye free or there, Dumbusumiano or the Mobia there, but Mazana number joining. Or yeah, the NHIS. Now, also a card now. The baby in a second hospital, I to my use of card now. I'm a Ghana, but I will see you other day by 2030. No gentlemen will be Ghana as a nation. You have 80% or even more of our population are able to work at hospital. On care there, means this car. Entina te sabi yareba jebotum ya so yare wo hono na ahwe nkwa nti say bi sama this is one of the reasons I mean the main agenda oye amampanyin na ye aban pede ye nti mgudu American obi oriti mi biara no omomo no hye ne nsoma ende ye gudu a ye na sesi ade obi no ken na sempanyin fo no wo ze bay obe end the 31st na se obotwa do anu so ye ho asem de yenyim enti nche mo wo ade ya ne ye fa mo adwuma. Let's take advantage of the moment now enti mo for the back on the Coastal FM Coastal TV sorry okay chipa but mo je to the mo kran ko for them o ba pe na che dem ko se ye bo hwe wan ye reti enti obi bia o reti ana do hwe na no pay no e pocho but mo zinara na fa o card o Ghana card o health insurance card we wo no na bo mo zin na renew another more join NHIS until be some na free nationwide registration exercise and no one samanya.
Okay, yeah, that's a papa we are addressing PRA for national health insurance on that one brief concerning my warrior was 1 month now this so why there was 1 month so now 1 year there on to do that.
That's a very good question. Me this the all there in kiye juma na rampodo and sign a benya card no apart from people that are exempted no na nchebotwe bibi kakra na makacho there storm na baby bia ye first no so card wa na nche or 3 months after 3 months no anya pe na say renew card na ebotwe no 1 month and during our storm earlier storm days no na them waiver no off for you to default but if you for atrim then no ye waiver no off you also ya free renewal and registration procedure for 1 month. No there, Brapini, Martin there. You may be an improving if you be pilot. And this is the first of its kind, unprecedented. You may be that.
Okay.
There, one and two and I join health insurance, and yes, in the mobile and Chiari. And me just them penny funeral now. Was it them said you this very good initiative for Abano? Questions like this may go. Now, will be assessment. By the end of the month, no, penny for my assessment. Now, so we will the assessment here. Now, after the fallout, to be honored this honor by inform whether the nation will take maybe next time will be 3 months or it will be 4 months. But then, when people can, what say, a BBR, a journey of 1,000 miles begin with a step. And since I say, then maybe say, I didn't 3 months, no. Me this is then paying full when I do, no, or any day, young just more than 1 month, or young for the 1 month and a half. Then to we now way or assessment now. Senior Zach, me this is day, Senior RAMZY, me this is day.
Okay,
you know, maybe to a market, even if it was like, the main, for the
really a best and so on younger.
The round has me paper, and to once American or the man or tea, and to Busumo could assist was about to,
okay,
and to young training with that will be Biana next one, no, or be informed that young 3 months, when you're 2 months. Madam, I mean, you say, when you was a bar, near to Yabaka. This is a Dika come on.
Yeah, that's it. And see, I remember my thing when I mean, Mister. Right, so we shall see on the 15th of April. We are in the 16th of May. And then we also now guess we can almost 2 weeks. Naturally, we re-on. So within these 2 weeks, why them with them Jume, a himfa and a himfa. No, we to walk register and na we renew and so honezi, and walk one. Utungo yipi dudu na baya ana wa Ghana aye pe last day ana bibia call the fine wo
ya come na ya come as go for register. Okay, as at from January to May ending target was May. It's 71,500 something. Okay, as at ended that yeah 94,000 plus, which is about 134% and above. Yakubu bebre yawa yakwa abra yakwa decide yakwa ekwan yakwa su
nti mi ntwa no se ekebe wakwa abra se we do abra the community is big. Ode yefan the idu abra ode ifofu na wo bawa ode pedi fu na wo bawa ana abrofu nkotin we oboko pedi akoyifu akobonkuso akonyamwa dem na ota na ekede wakwa abra o cheda abade
enwende yaba community and the 7 years so and yabo yeah intensive public education and sensitization where they yaba abra yamba dem one na water abra ngutin one bra se people twum o tukonumpo wa kwata kra be mfo no pedo ya mba ma no kwan de oye intem ka yaba bro no ya akodo intem dem se ya akoni na mu si ya sen ko bi ebia yaba abra no yaba tina ebushefio royal family anymore. This time we move to the market. But apparently I could be a down ya be paid ya by one park no do. Park no under construction ya ko fire service headquarters so ya ko akebi ya ko abra for severally ya ko esechi ya ko kakondo ya ko edehia ya ko efutuma mpon bebazi in a scene kokwado honestly kokodo and also kwado honestly yako krofufodo yako ekwan yako la you funny as 8 years in here. Okay, I'm Apple's connection immediately after kwado was yako amama yako akotache kwapo until almost yako let me use the word yako nkamfua later the yako ni na mwesi ma yako is something like a mop up. Okay, in the after about decided village at this time yako decided estate you be paid the fee at this time you pay the estate them not. Okay, asi anti ya wa tena so next week so yes ya sha sibium yeboko sudu yako yeboko for Ghana Police Service for head office so you pay is the police fee na and ya mo let mo aso a shende de ku den ko. Okay, if you yeboko sudu ama I decided to grow food or cramotevia midnight.
Okay. And see, them also working which my papa won't read. And to say, they were back. Be house, no, can't put them doing. They said, you need to component with the register to me, son. Now, by your registration, we are not actually na echo maybe be and so I fine. And say, end of June. Naturally, when you do sorry, end of May. Actually, we and our says no, I can do my okay, and I want to then if there's need for it.
Says Sarah's official information and penny for Zabana day. Yeah. To the 1st May, it ends.
Okay.
That's what I can speak to. Okay. But never said day on the Saint market on the catch be said day. Dating in 2 months, 3 months. Na mark a day. Penny for not wanted the Musha Yaba. Say, I may Adam Nassau. Wash it now the water Muswa. Media people, you help us in Tiababaka. But Making Chamotu be a when you polish hair or tea today. Mawabi and Kamasam. Montren, when you get up about, I mean, about procrastinating or a piano one boy. And the interesting thing about this exercise is that send the young boy or card in Nara. Ibutum's hospital in there. Tima kepi be there. We a double bonanza. You didn't see that. Yeah, storms maybe. But in China, you be waiver off. Make a waiver on the young card now. Mountain there. Send check. Man, everybody card and you be there. Nothing can crop for be one. In your card now, a train but some crown at hospital. Say card no oh. No, but Bosume Bass and so on. Also, the man about train. Bosumo Crown and hospital. Say, friend. So, the most past years, the end storms, no, for course, taking the waiver off. The waiver American tea. So, card no bear 2,000 years in Punaya, and they are no bottom dark hospital. Beyond that, also, now, as a dem manager can, we bring the registration to the doorsteps of people. A show salon near Abba. A show feel Yaba. It's all part of the activities of the store. Okay. Now, fees, my deck is in a day. Yes, she can't tell Albutriano. Ye free Montia. Otto de Bumosono, say a card and the so I am on free now, Sumpono. In the Aran Subutume, the hospital, no, the 1 month waiver off. Okay. And Bissama, the Monotti. To your room, registration is in there, more from my paying free. One on the 2 about register. Thank you very much. Obiara or Timmy Biarano, go to my Bible register. On the here you better know. Now, you use to age in the Juma. Only you to make the categorize the people who can join the NHIS. And the Mama will cry. Okay, the other and from there, say, my neighbor's insurance card, Naya Fraba, Bosumi Basa, Kesi in fee, Edunson. Not no man, who can be 8 cities. Okay. Say, them age category also. Say, oh yeah, card na uwa, a renew aperture, also by 6 cities using the star 929 hash. Yaba in your 18 years, they can see in fee 69 years. 18 years to 69 years. Iya wawe juma in Jasnet. My neighbor card now or 30 cities. Card rule now a you to star 929 has the renew about or not to 28 cities. 70 years going is free. Pregnant women, you're free. Indigent, you're free. Prison inmates, you're free. Physically challenged people, you're free. Livelihood empowerment against poverty, LEAP, you're free. School uniform children, you're free. Deaf and dumb, you're free. Empty, say them free, yeah. These are categories of people like yes, on card. Now in the demography I'm about to know. One night to go to one I want to be able to my free of charge in this period, which is my a promotion amana
period
period
in the 1 month.
nti bisa ma nti ubakara bi mpo retain also na ma maybe 34 years ya ma holding wo ya and change the way mamro said you kwada na kotin they be everybody who is in Ghana juma interest ADV 40 30 28 obiara they qualified to do to enjoy this offer at Apano and no one semana.
Okay. Apart from apart from health insurance, so you had to there was the primary free health care, so what the Abano so yeah, what's them? So only health insurance on a way Juma boom or home office war, and now a separate Juma and when in way.
But that's a bit brave. Free primary health care policy, no, the MALIK can care no. Or last month, no man paying or launching or them policy. Now, on the health insurance, we are there to make sure people have access to health care. Okay, there a cow biara babem. Now, on Sunday, yafa the mass is there. Or the yeshemu biara butuma hospital. Okay, you go to Kumska. On for how be umbrella. Now, there yeshe. Now, you too. We drive along with this policy. Now, the free primary health care policy, no, our or health insurance is involved. Ghana Health Service is also involved. These major stakeholders here in Yakambuma, yes, them free primary health care policy. Now, Mama Shana Muntu Mukawasam Kakra, no one some then. In there, yes, my pedeka there, you there, another. If you match be there, I am most of us. Sabi Robert Nawana, Chile Yarbo Banana, Wako. But I mean, I be answer, I said you, Obozi, Ozi, or ye, Moado, Matthew and Abi Baba. If you are now free to be non communicable diseases, today BP. Bono bit to us, so then you offer yard and on your shoe, but your question is weak trashy, or what high blood pressure, no matter when you pay. Them and to them free primary health care in all three phases. The agenda is to push for a preventive, promotive, and curative. Not only any Ghana Health Service when you are Boma, you're there. Our retain Biano say urban there any chance no more because he appeared them in the main so that you get the NHIS card. Now call hospital, Mount Canana. Go to the hospital. Or your basic screenings today, sugar level, UBP, said you mental health condition, or cholesterol level, BMI, body mass index. Now some cancers, the minimum a queen of the screening be able to mark Wakashi. One also them aware that's free. Already you to Sika Nezuko. And this will couple on a hospital honora or check with them in the main armor. But you to me see. Yaraba be a jowl system they prevent the Visalokan because say you wouldn't tema honorable woman I don't know. You too, ya start Yarban, but say Yarbanentem. Sinaram the Botro, so that it does not deteriorate.
On Queen now some for example.
You said there, Makada or a joint engagement.
Okay.
When you can say no central implement to her, or we have a committee. The director, Mr. Kodosa Chakwe, the health director NHIS, and now your doctor, Mrs. Alberta, Richum Yako, our also Ghana Health Service, with the health director. You form a free primary health care committee. You start them, you know. Now, what to do there? Say, on them, when you come from the pilot, you know, on all over Ghana.
We choose a certain what try or
what try then you bring a fallout from Jimmy near to roll out nationwide. And since I'm going to say, 50 months we have about 9 political districts. They have been chosen to pilot or them free primary health care policy. Until be some NHIS in putting that only young putting Ghana Health Service on the album, I hear the major.
Okay. Yeah, that's a papa. Remember, our friend then, Matthew. Matthew, you had today, apart from free registration, renewal, where you say now the health, free primary health, so other ban. Maybe we saw friend operation of an market storm. What's the difference? The same thing, and I see a different thing. Market storm, so I am.
The same thing, but before you ask man, okay. But the registration make us send be musical free, you know. Even the Yaboko community, but apart from that, so all your various platforms are available for any individual approach with you and not register a card. Like the Mumbai Abra. Now card they were equal stand 29 hasha. Ibotum is a renewal on fire hobia or from what say ya boy abayamo. It's more trimpo member. Our card will go to your Damoka, your special edition cry, a way free. My NHIS app, a Wagana card, a download with smartphones are download. In a process, it go through the process, the prompt. It will just take your information from NIA phone, not Amon card, electronic card, fair or do phone. Into either what can yeah, no, so much in there, star 929. I will devote to Zamipa Duduba, a Pibia, ask a Tribia on him. Now, there are a mobile scan, a piano, up on the strong issue now. More in museum to make better also on more offer one more okay. Now what's our neighbor can have from
storm now
exactly market storm they never find
no market storm yeah in the market because the storm idea them American is supposed to bring the NHIS to the doorsteps of people, create awareness of the existence of the NHIS, sensitize people about the benefits of the NHIS. But yeah, a storm, but there's a market account because the idea is that you should be a don't be very well. Now the Ghana so in pain, say baby are very neutralized, centralized ground that the bigger don't be brave by market. So beautiful fracture. It may share bank manager or market. The book may share students or market. The book may share assembly member or market. About me share say per day, per day.
By day.
Thank you. A bit share market. The person autonomous a bit share market. So we looked at a centralized or neutral grounds.
Okay.
Your people to the institutional registrations. All of them until they be a school coaching. And then ready coaster for the Abu Hade. But you used to market storm in the sense that looking at a neutral ground. That is how the name market is attached to it. But the idea is that we are storming places, storming communities. But market now about town because we know that it is a central ground where you get all manner of people. And the idea is to bring services of the NHIS to the doorstep of the people and also engage them one-on-one, telling them the benefits of the NHIS, assisting people to renew their cars, asking questions, solving their problems for them, and helping them to download the NHIS app on their phones. And to storm now, need you nebo take a no on a
okay.
And when you can say, young storm na area no, neda near Ojoka, but manager is a wonderful manager. Very wonderful manager.
What's the thumbs up?
TLD. Okay. But can I for him for? But two suffered them the one around. The manager do came around. We did a community there, but now there is also a target or your market day. Because your car market day that it was Friday,
Fridays and Tuesdays.
Now honestly, on that medical nation doma na park you want those school phone and non pay for watching them na essence of the machine is to go. My dom making will pro good na the storm no. It's something that has come to stay. I there Rebecca there marketing, eco-marketing in the market, they are reboosting or making people aware. And the storm not as something over end by the end of this month.
Okay.
The Ashada is Abaka or the new free registration. And the other thing now another RAMZY. Now, in fact, most of them are what do assembly members now. Not only Asian, some are cover NHIS one. They be a market as a day, Papa. Say, inquire that me. Me only for mother was giving the Amma Mokanda me health insurance. Or Sunday, maybe you health insurance. then they impose as avoka more than yes Christo no kwa de no and then na pepepe yes free men twe bibara na wara sebe it's a card number na say mon pay there ya banko biara no way ni ya aze bodu baby na obraba system name enti no who can at the local hospital we are giving you the opportunity to get the NHIS card for free in this period. Okay. No, but they are the hospital. To my anti, say to them, I market storm now. Or a nationwide agenda. The year on regional basis. Yeah, you had it on North for a year, Western for a year. Yes, we are starting the year. Today, the near war or year to cry. Now we are the man or year Tuesday of the bench, so ever country for class. Now, Yako, Asin South on year 20th. As I say, Yako. Mama can escape it, no problem. No problem. We can go out the whole Ghana. The whole Ghana. Yes, indeed. Now, Mama timetable and tour. Okay. And that's only a central of the Nocotinity. Storm or only into that near what cry. Okay. Yami Aduma 19th. Yaboko Praso for Praso. The same 19th now, so Yaboko Asin North. Reku. Asin for Subreku. Okay. We are on the 20th. Yako oye diaso RAMZY ken diaso bia papa hey me first time I was call na the kwango kakra but ejuma no mes me ye pede ye enti enyim brofo bekede is a long distance limitation that is it you are leaving no one behind you do bia brapeyin you don go nja enti diaso for one hwe wo hodon so wonti ye on the 20th the same 20th now so nyakomase Asin Yakumase Fonso, Warashan, one suit above all, one says 22nd, there's a book a comfy man, a comfy for Warashan, a comfy abor, Yanny and Fatima, the straight for Baba. Now, 22nd, so Yako, after I say, after I honorable A plus 1 year, honor, nothing any you might go more first. Now, I have fair. Doma honors will pay by Hobbit to Charles Cardinal, no, you have obium. Central, Gomor Central, France. Aguna is in Sabah, Aguna Sabafu, was the 27th of May. Aguna Sabah, me, on the 29th of May, or you don't call, or Upper East. And then Mama can hear the market account because that is where we can get also. But okay, the Mama can, Roma, you took your way. But America, see, I have banks that. Yako excited for no. I have Mother's Day. Wow, what is it about? What by organizing of my baby last Sunday. Wow, what a blessing. So you see them come back. I said I am the market storm no because it has a centrality of our target groups, you know, to be able to. And you need the answer there. It's our partner to call. On that, say person now they travel power. Immediately, if you take advantage of the market, market show the brain. Say, Yami Adabla was in poor marketer, they rather say. Mobile system of the small uncle Yen, so rather than to send the market for no is a very good place. You can take all this information away.
Yeah, that's papa. Your national health insurance in painful. Sorry. And you want to train common I pay free registration and free renewal in the whole of Ghana, but we are focusing on Central Region because they are in charge of Central Region. And it's P baby our call. And at the next 2 weeks on the you want to be able to we are Dunko. Na bibi so akọ fine na ozaman. Bibi o ha yin bisa wana opeda waze kanwa na yem fam competition in wow. Yes.
Mamanda was celebrate our team, the management of the Costa TV team, you know, the one I see the Costa Multimedia. Now, senior, no dancing one of the facilities are Muda market domino about in free registration. Now, McKim be there. Obi can be there, and I'm also from Morocco. Insurance, no senior, only you mampuno until there in Kitibi.
Okay.
The manamaka. And the Mumbria Aquania Zabeno, Ubiamo was an Kitibi. Because say it should be a work hospital. Okay to health insurance. Na nipa on Kitibi, that's a kawa bar. Bonde, it is always a good thing to have the NHIS card. Into Mugudama, say, one of one thing they control the brain. But na period they are all free no. I would 28 cities, 30 cities now. In terms of our young card no. Yes, in fact, now bra, what do free for this period. And and has mine. Them are boss kind of star 929 hash. Let them call them. But now I'm making phone. Yeah, man, could be brave. Man, this is not with a smartphone. And I'm okay. The Uncle or my NHIS app. Uncle or your Apple Play Store, Apple Store, and Google Play Store. And please download your my NHIS app. You get a Ghana card and contains a bottom a card, no NHIS card. And who came here there? A baby in office. So I'm ending with this. I will take my card there. Please use the star 929 hash. That's
star 929 hash. Okay.
Star 929 hash. Now, paying so no. My NHIS app on so one of tell you Ghana card no. On no here the baby in office cry. Or download that not app no na Ghana card. Go to why until the was celebrate. It's for so work train one of train now so the one I see them sure.
But finally Becca baby I want to work cruise. See na yen share baby I show na ebo one number bi o ham ko fubutu ma forward na ebia yetum na yen hone edzinketa ho na nche so obobo hen papa.
Yeah. No mazibiwa mazibiwa jana makona Martin de moto transfer yenwanu ma wo our health facilities in there. Yes someone scanjiji biara mfosu yihu do eda wajin mama wanje.
What them kofujiska
kofujiska. In fact yekobi yetibi yehubi. But in pen pin said the miscanchuchu and bana yaka de ibi bo report when ya say ka chen de eje the sizika table o chede wa juiska once manje ye ntu yenzi hu dwuma bia say ko na wa juiska biara if the on the wa juwa me answer and the normal circumstances health insurance as ko hospital on the etwie ska biara na dynamics na wa mo etwie ska na odoso market dynamics is one for continue otida hospitals no one obi a on level exam do operate enye na NHIS for na yeshishe oye wan Ghana health service for na wan shishe inti amomotu ma hwe chip compound no ibi owo health center botu wa hwe mo abromodo
okay
ma ibi owo polyclinic so botu wa hwe mo abro ami a mo health center na pen pin no oya ngofo kwa no if na chip compound oboko na say ibi oye bro was be no obul no do refer na mama yende o ye kan poko na onko nti mami yede dem na ye na ziba ye ntwia and the number some grandpo is illegal for you to take care of a year or beyond your level na what say insurance and cover or affect ejuma na ya wa ma jezi na azen kofo insurance no wa kofo na me ka che MMS no mo ka MMS won wa kita insurance card in there e ko bibi dem isa me ham me nko scanner wa jona GC na brain office e bebezi hujuma most of these things even happen at the right side of the administrators
okay
nti the man na no man so
for no man to go na ye wa na
your first number queen
I was in one first.
Yeah, a jubilee school. Okay. Ghana Red Cross for 1 year. It was not Ghana Health Service when we through office. No.
Okay.
Okay. It's your number official nominee 050 16 98 659. Number is some personal line back on 024 97 60 516. For office line, most of the time you're going to food work. When you have the top of the start to take them, food work, so always be on the food. In this for office line, be a one sign car. If we are once about health insurance, it's health insurance that helps me to get money to buy the credit.
Okay. Yeah, that's the papa. Matthew, that's your lesson. Yeah, that's the papa. And paying for with the National Health Insurance. And the annual pay and a wabana wababo yezi Mpontu jimezin yazashi shadoma wabi we mbra so dey boko oye joy news na yakotiedo ho with Samson Ladi anyineni now the news file ozatiedo ozamahin ye the National Health Insurance for asipapa pa wonkodo na wombu djuma na wobo na nkasa na yenhwe na bibia so nkoye Malik RAMZY nyame yadoma the Sunday yebehia na mo ho bia no yazatiedo good morning.